So let me show you how I would write out a series of notes that would be a half step apart. Say you wanted to start on C. Up a half step from C, you would write C sharp. Then you go to D, and you go to D sharp. Then you go to E, then you go to F, then you go to F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. That would be going from one C to another C in an octave. All that's written out and doing it by half steps. And typically, if you're going up, you would write sharps. The other determining factor of whether or not you're writing sharps or flats would be the key signature, but we're not there yet. Now, if you were starting, say, for example, I'll just use the bass clef because I haven't written there yet. You want to go down by half steps. You might go B, then B flat, A flat, G, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, C, B, and then there you are to B. That's not very elegant, but it does the trick. So you have to kind of correlate the pitch on the staff with what it is on the keyboard, because there are places like F to E where you wouldn't go F flat to E, because F flat and E are enharmonic. And the same thing with B and C. You wouldn't go D flat, C, C flat, because C flat and B are enharmonic. So that's why we teach the piano keyboard along with the music on the staff, so you have a visual frame of reference for understanding how this works.